Hey, it's Dr. Z. It's that time of year again when we celebrate the holidays, we spend time with those that we love, and we actually start thinking about what we want to resolve in the new year. It's also a time to reflect and think about what's most important in our lives, and it's the season of giving. And so my patients continue to ask me, hey doc, what's on your wish list? What do you want for the new year? And as I think about it, although this may seem cliche, giving the gift of health is still my biggest want and wish for others. And so the greatest gift I can give or offer is the gift of health, and put a copy of Rebuild in your hands. Rebuild is the most comprehensive, user-friendly guide that allows you to create a personal plan based on your unique health issues. And for those who don't know, here's a little backstory behind the creation of Rebuild. Years back, I was diagnosed with cancer. Actually, I had a 5-inch tumor in my chest. And I went through the traditional medical route with toxic chemotherapy. I had radiation. And at that time, I also became a very powerful advocate for myself. And I pushed my medical team to crack open my chest and remove the mass, a procedure they say they have never done before in a disease like mine. So I remember waking in the recovery room, waking from surgery, and the first thing I thought of was rebuilding myself. I have to rebuild myself. I have to restore my health to a level that was better than it was before. So I dove into the research and I created a plan, a protocol that not only allowed me to restore my health, but it actually allowed me to bring my health to a level that definitely was better than it was before. I also discovered that all chronic health issues and disease have common causes. And if this plan worked for me, it would work for my patients suffering with unresolved health issues. And it did. It was awesome. Using this information, many of my patients were having excellent results in resolving their health issues. So my patients at that time encouraged me to continue my clinical research, my clinical applications, and to write a book. And so I wrote Rebuild to provide accurate information about health and disease, exercise and nutrition, diets and supplements, and other aspects of good health that worked for me and my patients. I also realized by writing Rebuild, I could get this information out to countless others who don't have access to the information and who don't have access to a specialist in functional medicine, and certainly, once they got that information, make an impact on their health. My passion, my mission is to clear up the confusion about health and disease and provide you with information and sustainable action steps you can take to rebuild your health. The information and these action steps are outlined in Rebuild. So if you know someone who's been talking about improving their health and they don't know where to start or where to go, or you know someone that's suffering with an unresolved chronic health issue or disease, from my heart, I strongly recommend you give them the gift of health, a copy of Rebuild. And regardless of where you are or where they are on their wellness journey, Rebuild is the most comprehensive, user-friendly guide that will allow you or them to take their health to a whole new level. And so if you're looking for the ultimate gift for yourself or to send to a loved one, friend, or colleague, it's not too late to gift yourself or someone on your concern list a copy of Rebuild. And while giving the gift of health seems cliche, answers to a personal health issue really is the most valuable gift you can give anyone. So let's make 2020 a healthier year for all of us. And I hope to hear about your personal victories over your health challenges in the new year. Thank you all for your continued support. I wish you and all of your families a healthy and happy holiday season.